Yeah, we don't come again, oh my people, how una dey? Hope una dey subscribe to this our ogbonge station at Oloan TV. The tori today na Lagos o. Lagos don test run the electric blue rain train service. Electric, this one na electric blue rain train o. Lagos. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State. Kudos to the man. Lagos. Different people just dey talk different things concerning 2023 election, say Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban of Lagos. The structures of Lagos, the brain behind the structures of Lagos. See now, my people, make una see. They test run the electric blue rain train service in Lagos. Lagos for Naija na number one. See Lagos, see the train fine, see the inside, see the movement. The movement dey sweet me for belle, my people. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you. This na Oloan TV.